How to fix Emirates Airlines app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Emirates Airlines app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing is, before you start, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So what you'll first need to do is check for your Wi-Fi connection. Just make sure that network is not an issue here and that you're connected to a really stable internet connection. After doing that, you can then open up the Emirates website and check if it works now. If it still does not work, what you'll then need to do is you will need to clear out its cache. To clear that out, open up your settings first, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and right here you will then need to search for Emirates. So let's search for that. There we go. And tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app and confirm it. The offload will begin, and after that you'll find a reinstall button here. Tap on reinstall button and then the app will get reinstalled. After the app gets reinstalled, your caches will have been cleared, and now you can start using the app again. And that's how you fix the issues, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.